Hello guys, welcome to my channel Yari Mughal. I hope you all are well. Today I provide bundle of SVG logo in PNG plus AI file. For example, I read their name: Baby SVG bundle, Camping, Christmas Volume 2, Dad, Daromate, Fall, Fishing, Gym and Fitness, Halloween, Inspiration, Kitchen, Mermaid, Mom Boss, Mom Life, Mom SVG bundle, Motivational SVG bundle, Nurse, Pot Holder, SSC, Spring, Summer, Thanksgiving, Tote Bags, Wine. For example, I open it and this is AI file and this is PNG file. For example, I open it and in AI file I open it. Same like it, you can use any of this file according to your own choice or according to your use. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.